everyone, it's Gina from orchidandopal.com, and I'm back today with the Annie's Simply Beads Kit of the Month Club. This is the third one that I'll be sharing here on my channel, and it's been a little while since I shared the last two, and they have a great promotion going on right now just for this week. So I wanted to hop on and be sure to share this third one with you. On the very first day of that promotion, they're offering a 75% off code for your first month. So it makes the kit only $4.99 plus shipping. They ship to the US and Canada. Even to just try them out one time, it's really a steal. You can cancel at any time without any further obligation from them. I'll leave that link down below, and the coupon code for the 75% off is SHARE75, and that will be down below as well. And that is only good through April 18th. With your first kit, you get a 4-in-1 beading tool and a bead mat. You'll have to check out the first video that I shared to really see what you get in that first kit. So you can see the kit that I received this month is called Aria, and I will be making this tassel necklace off camera after we take a look at what comes in the kit and we take a closer look at the contents. Something I think is interesting and I think is a good thing is that this necklace and earrings kit is different from the first two that I received. I've already received one in silver tone findings, already received one in gold tone. The styles have been different. So I really like that even though there have been gaps in between my subscription, because I've paused it, you can pause at any time, they're still sending me things that are completely different than they've already sent. Now, if you sign up for the first time, your kit may be totally different than this one. I think from what I've heard, it's pretty random as far as which kit they start you out with, but they've got all different kinds and you can get a good feel for the types of things they send through the beautiful pictures that they have on their website. You always get to make more than one piece, so if they send you a kit for a necklace, usually there's a pair of earrings that go with it. If it's a bracelet, it's probably going to be a bracelet stack, not just a single one. So I think not only would this make a good gift for yourself or somebody you know who's expressed interest in starting to make jewelry, but also the finished product turns out to be a beautiful gift-worthy item as well. Let's start to take a peek inside of the contents and we'll get a feel for what they sent in order for us to make this tassel necklace and earring set that they have pictured on this beautiful card. All right, so here are the contents. You can see that we have our large suede tassel there. We have our antique bronze chain. We have eye pins, jump rings, lobster clasp, the ear wire findings, all of those things that we need to put this all together, as well as these turquoise beads and a large clear glass crystal focal, which will sit on top of the tassel. So everything looks intact so far. If we open up this sheet, you can see that it tells you more about everything that you received in your kit, what you should expect to see. We can see everything is in the kit like they said. And not only do they provide you with the written instruction, which is also inside of here, but they also include a video tutorial to go with the kit. So you can follow step by step through a video if you'd rather do that, in addition to this physical sheet that they send. And you can also download these instructions and past instructions, say if you lost the booklet or anything like that, right from your account page on Annie's Simply Beads. So once again, I think they're extremely clear. Now I'm going to actually make this and follow along with these paper instructions to make the necklace, and there's no real complex work involved in that in any way if you have experience in making jewelry like this. But they really have you covered, because even if they're going over basic techniques, they even have specific instructions and little video clips on their site about things like how to create a simple loop with wire, how to open and close a loop or jump ring, how to make links, dangles. And so each step of the way, they really have made it so clear. And if you are trying to learn, I think you'll find their detailed instructions and clear pictures very handy, not only in making this piece, but taking those skills and putting them towards future pieces that you want to make. So think of it as an educational tool also. So I'm not going to film me actually making this because I don't want to overstep, since they've already made their own tutorial on how to put their kit together. But I am going to follow the instructions, work with exactly what they gave me, kind of look at this through the eyes of somebody who is new, and circle back to show you the finished piece and let you know if I had any issues or other suggestions or anything else. So I hope you'll stick around because I will be right back. All right, everyone, I am back and I have finished the necklace and earring set, and I'm very pleased, just like I have been with the past two. I think they really start a person who has absolutely no experience beading and can take that person and actually walk them through the whole process of making finished pieces that are very wearable and give you the skills to take a lot of things you learn from each kit to other things that you want to make on your own. So great for new people, great as gifts. And if you're just looking for a simple project, if you do have experience and you want something that's pretty quick to put together, they send you all the materials. So I had no issues following the instructions. I felt like they were perfectly clear. The other thing I want to mention is they give you actually more than you really need. So I ended up with even more materials left over, which is also what I found the previous two times. So even everything down to the lobster clasp and ear wear, I mean, they send you extra, which is great. The other thing I want to point out is that the materials they send, they're not plastic. So you get glass, like this is a glass focal piece. These are actual turquoise stones, and even though they're dyed or heat treated, I mean, they're still stone. They're not plastic and they're not even glass. So I think that what they're sending is very appropriate for the price point, and you can be assured that they're not going to send you anything that I wouldn't personally feel comfortable working with. So there's even the end. They even thought of putting a little dangle embellishment on the end of the chain. And like I said, this is much different than the last two kits that they sent. So now I feel like I have three really beautiful wearable pieces from Annie's. So if this kit looks like something that you'd be interested in or know somebody who would, this is the week to do it. So take advantage of the coupon code SHARE75, and I'll leave that down below as well as the link to the subscription. And you'll find all the details there about how to sign up. I know they have a money back guarantee as well. So if you're not satisfied, they will take care of that for you. But even if you just want to try out 1 month, making it $4.99 for the kit, plus shipping to the US or Canada, at that price, this is a definite bargain. If you have experience with Annie's, feel free to comment down below. I'd love to hear about it. I'm sure others would too, so you can let us know your experience or anything else you'd like to say. And if this video is helpful for you to be able to check out what's inside and also to spread the word about that great coupon code, feel free to give the video a big thumbs up because I greatly appreciate it. And I'd love to have you as a subscriber, so please hit that button while you're here as well. I have lots more in store for the week, so I hope you'll stick around with me, and I will see you soon. Until next time, I hope you have a fabulous rest of your day. And as always, happy beading.